Question 40. Also a tricky kind of a question, but something that I'm sure you could manage. It says find the area of a circle with a center at -3, -5, and a point on the circumference of the circle at 3, 3. And we haven't given you a coordinate plane. So the idea is for you to quickly sketch out a coordinate plane. And let's put some hash marks. And let's plot our points. The first one is at -3, 1, 2, 3, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be right about here. And our other point is at 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's going to be about there. And this says find the area of a circle with its center here. So this should be the origin. And this again is point -3, -5. And a point on the circumference at 3, 3. Okay. So what does that mean? If that point is on the circumference and that's the origin here, that means that the circle kind of sort of looks like this. This is going to be the radius of the circle, and the circle is going to kind of go, forgive my drawing ability, it's going to go kind of like that. So now the quest here is to figure out what the radius is. Because if we're looking for the area of a circle, we know that the area equals pi r squared. If we can solve for r, we can solve for the radius and then easily figure out the area of the circle. Okay, how do we do that? Well, we would use Pythagorean's theorem. How would we use Pythagorean's theorem? Well, if we were to draw a line here that is parallel to the y-axis, it would go through point 3, 3, 3. It would be everywhere where y is equal to 3. And if we were to draw another line here, parallel to the x-axis, in every case, x would be parallel to the x-axis, everywhere where y is equal to -5, we would have a 90-degree angle. Okay. Now the question is, how big is the base? Well, we know that this point is 3 over from the origin, and that this point is 3 over from the origin. This distance is 3. This distance is 3. And we can count them. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. The entire distance of this base is 6. The height starts at -5. This distance is 5. And it proceeds above the x-axis for 3 more. 1, 2, 3. The entire height is 8. The base is 6. The height is 8. Using Pythagorean's theorem, we know that 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. We're trying to solve for the hypotenuse. That's 36 plus 64 equals c squared. 100 equals c squared. C equals 10. So we now know that the radius equals 10. Plugging radius into here, the answer is going to be pi 100.